Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn easy birthday flyer design tutorial in Canva, easy Canva tutorial. So for us to be able to begin for this one, just go ahead and log in onto your Canva account to get redirected here onto the dashboard. So here on the dashboard, so that it would be easier for us to create this, you'll just need to go ahead and search here onto the middle part, onto the search bar, birthday flyer. So you should be able to find in the templates that are available for that. Just simply click onto this and you should be able to see the different things that are offered in here. So we'll just need to choose onto which one we actually like to use as our birthday flyer. So for example, we like this one, just go ahead and simply click onto that and you should be able to see its creator for that, the size, its paper type, paper finish, and how many you're trying to create. So you could also see more like this or different templates that are almost the same onto this one. So we'll just need to customize this template to add in our own photos or own names in here or to edit some information. So for example, we're going to try to change the name in here. Instead of Estelle, we're going to name this one John. So we're going to add a person in here or a guy in here. So you could update also the different text in here. Also this one. And let's go ahead and try to add in the photo that we want to use. So just click here onto uploads to add in your own photo and to add in a photo of John. So just go ahead and try to drag and drop the photo in here just like that. So as you can see, it has been added already. We could also try to change the style in here. So just head back here on design and you should be able to find in styles in here. So here on the styles, this is actually very helpful since you should be able to find in the different color palettes that you could use to go ahead and match the designs that you have in here. So you could actually add in more balloons in here, click onto elements, just try to search onto what elements you want to add, such as cake. So let's try to add a cake in here, click onto graphics, and let's try to find in something that is applicable for this, just like this one. You could add that one over here, make this small, and it should go ahead and look something like that. So you could design this more like you could add candles, or to be more specific, birthday candles. So you could add that one over in here. And let's try to change the layer for that. Let's send that one to the back. So let's click on to show layers in here. Have this one onto the back. And it should go ahead and look something like this. Now, once you're already satisfied with your own poster in here, just go ahead and click on to share, click on to download, and choose in the file type for that. So since this one is for a poster, you could use PNG or PDF for that one. And that is just basically it, how you create an easy birthday flyer design in Canva. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.